Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
¡Feliz año! ¡Feliz año! ¡Un besote! Este año sea aventuroso para todos nosotros.
Happy 2026! ¡Feliz año!
¡Feliz año!
Ay, ven, cuidado, mamá.
Baby here, Happy New Year with my song. Happy New Year,
Sacó fotos.
Happy New Year 2026!
Sí. Gracias por mi hijo, mi esposo, mi familia, la señora Marlene, que hoy nos está acompañando, una buena vecina, una buena amiga, la queremos mucho. Y bueno, aquí estamos unidos, así que vamos a comer. Dios bendice a nuestro 2026. Amén.
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 Feliz año 2026! God, it's crazy to think about. All right, now from here, we can see all those fireworks that are on the horizon there. Some big ones close. Wow. But you have Universal, SeaWorld, and Epic Universe all doing their fireworks over there. Wow. And then we have a lot of local fireworks here. And we've got some over here. Woof. Some really big shows. Really big shoe over here on the horizon. I'm fairly... SeaWorld. I went to SeaWorld. And the smoke behind it, I think it's Epic Universe. Over here. It sounds like a war zone. I don't remember when the last time it was this cold on New Year's Eve. I think it's about 40 degrees right now. Oh, out here in Orlando, it's supposed to be like 80. It's cold. Thanks for stopping in today to watch this pretty short video of how we rang in the new year from 2025 to now 2026. We are planning a lot on the channel for this year, so please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, click that notifications bell. Because when you click it, you stick it to the YouTube algorithm. You get notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. Thank you so much. And until the next video, we will see you real soon. Bye, everybody. Ciao.